Why the fuck did that music play? Fucking spooky. Anyways, Jin. Are you okay?
Do I look okay to you?
I could hear you all the way from inside the cafe. What happened?
A damn bird just took the fluffy bread I bought.
Is that all?
The fluffy bread was on sale. And that shit isn't cheap. Those freaking fucking birds have my bread. I swear on my worldwide title I'll kill them.
Whoa, slow it down there, Jin.
My ethereally fluffy, generously buttery, and delightfully squishable loaf is being wasted on a horrendous ball of fucking feathers.
Jin. Where did he go?
Did you see what happened to Jin?
He got really mad at some birds who took his fluffy bread and just disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yeah.
Killing spree.
Hobie. I'm scared.
You think that was Jin? I want to go home now.
I think that would be for the best.
Hurry, now. I think he's coming.